Hello and welcome on the second episode of my devlogs series, and this is a quick update on what I have done until now. So as you can see here, I figured out how to make a pendulum working in Unity, and I also created a tutorial about that, so I will put a link into the description. What is added is camera work. As you can see here, when I drop the block, everything is scaled and moved, so to fit the screen size properly. Also, I have here the count of the blocks that were placed. So as you can see here, it's the type of the hyper casual game and how the block count works. As you saw just before, when the block fall, I was placing like the fifth block, and it's add block after it stopped moving. So I have simple coroutine that checks if the velocity vector is smaller than value. This is value I provided by testing. I just did quick testing when the effect is looks okay for me. So that's the value I've placed here. This is the magnitude of the velocity vector for the spawned blocks. And also I added a quite nice feature here. It just reverse last step. So if I press that, the blocks will be placed as they were before the last block destroyed the tower. So I can present maybe it again. As you can see here, I've placed the block. Yeah, and after it stopped moving, the value of amount of the blocks were added, so it's like 5 placed now. And yeah, now so you can see here, just after that, movement is smaller than of the tower, it's smaller than some value, then the block is added. So that value, the movement, I want the tower to move a little bit in both direction, but if it's stable enough to not get destroyed, then the block is added. So that was my logic under the game. So I will try to break the tower now. Okay. No, I'm too good. I'm just too good in this game. Okay, maybe now. Yeah, so as you can see here, the tower were destroyed, and I do reverse last step, and now all the blocks are placed in the positions. Okay, if you would like to know how I manage to do some of that effects, or how I manage to reverse the time or the positions of the blocks, just write that in the comment, and I will make a separate tutorial video about that. And also I've made a reset button. It's game over, but the reset button is just loading the current scene from the start. So that's how it works. So thank you for watching, and if you like the update or my progress, just don't forget to press the like button and to subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot. Thank you very much. Bye.